Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting new, amazing LUTs for Luminar, Aurora HDR, and Photoshop. These beautiful, everyday LUTs are perfect to enhance landscapes, nature, and lifestyle photos, portraits, and much more. The more you use these new filters, the more uses you find for them. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. All of these brilliant LUTs are a great way to make your photos look amazing. If some presets are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find a look that fits your photo best. Do not miss the chance to get new exclusive, everyday LUTs collections